Hello students, welcome to maths class. In previous session, we learnt about square roots and two methods to find out the square root. First one, repeated subtraction method, and the second one was prime factorization method. Hope that two methods are clear to you. Students, in case of large numbers, these methods become little bit difficult and lengthy. To overcome this, one another method is there, which is known as long division method. So students, today we are going to learn about this method, which is known as long division method. To understand this long division method, I am going to find out the square root of a number 1764. Okay, so first I will write this number in this format. First I will draw a line like this, then this side, then write number here. We have to make the pair of digits from right hand side by using the bar. Mean I am making group of two digits by using bar. So my first pair is 64 and the second pair is 17. Okay students, and these bars are also known as the periods. So how many periods are there in this number? Two periods are there, and these pairs or the bars can also tell the number of digits of the square root of this number. Now start division from left hand side, and very first pair is 17. Now we need to find a number which is multiplied by itself to give me the number which is less than the 17. Okay, or you can say that I have to find a square number which is less than 17 or equal to or less than 17. So which number, square number is less than 17? Yes, 16. And 16 किसका प्रोडक्ट होता है हमारे पास, किसका स्क्वायर होता है हमारे पास? 4 का. तो what I will do, I will write 4 here and 4 here and one more 4 here. The number which comes here, same number will become above and the same number will become down. Okay, we will multiply this number with the above digit, the digit which is at the above, right? Then 4 4s are 16 and I will write the product here. Okay students, and then I will perform the subtraction. 17 minus 16, it will become 1. Okay, and here the number which I have written below is get added to the number 4. Then what number come here? 4 plus 4, it becomes 8. Okay students, I bring this 64 down. Okay, now my next number is 164, which is will get divided by this divisor. It is not a complete divisor. Now we have to find out the divisor. 8 is a part of the divisor. One digit will come here. Okay, now I have to find out a number for this unit place. Okay, and when this number will complete, then this number will get multiplied by the same digit. Okay, that this number will get multiplied by the same digit. Suppose I have taken 1, तो which number comes? 81 लिया, 1 लिया तो 81 बन गया. तब मैं इसको किस सेम डिजिट मतलब 1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी. चेक, जो 81 है यहाँ 81 लिखूँगी, बट 81 इज फार लेस देन ना 164. देन आई विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट नंबर. नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर 1 2 कम्स. नाउ आई टेकन 2, राइट डिजिट. अब नंबर क्या बन गया? 82, बट इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी सेम डिजिट, दैट इज़ 2. तो मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 8 ज़ा 16, तो 164. आई गॉट एग्जैक्ट सेम नंबर. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट 2 हेयर एंड 2 हेयर. Okay students, and then write 164 here and then remainder be 0. Remainder becomes 0, division process will stop, and this 42, then and this 42 is the root of square root of this number. तो क्या आ गया आंसर मेरे पास? square root 42. अच्छा, see how many digits are there? 2. And how many pairs are there? 2. So by number of pairs we can find out the number of digits in the square root without calculation. अगर मैं इसको कैलकुलेट ना भी करती, मेरे पास डायरेक्ट ये लिखा होता है कि फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट इन स्क्वायर रूट, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं इसकी पेयरिंग करूँगी. 1 pair 2 pair, तो 2 digits will be in the square root of this number. Let's take another example to make it more clear. The number is 5 4 7 5 6. Okay, now I will write the number the same way, 5 4 7 5 6. Then I will make the pair of the number, first pair 56, 47 and the 5. Okay, in the last pair only one digit is there. Still we have to consider this number as a pair, or you can put 0 also. Okay, now we start division from this left side, and the first pair is 5. We have to find a number which when multiplied by itself gives number equal to or less than 5. So which number is less than 5? 2 2s are 4. So I will write 2 here and 2 here and below also, and the product of these two number here, as I told you earlier, ki same number will come here and the here, and the above one number will get, or above digit will get multiplied by this, and the product we will write here and perform the subtraction, and the digit which have written here we get added. So 2 plus 2 what comes? 4. Okay, now we will bring the next period 47 down, and the new number is 147. Now I have to find out the unit digit of this number. When I got this number, I will multiply the number with the same digit which comes here. Okay, so let's try. 41 4 है, तो obviously जो number है that be in 40s. तो 41 देखूंगी तो 41 ones are 41, it's too small for 147. I will go for 2. 42 2s are 84, again too small, smaller than the 147. Then I see 3. 43 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. 129. It is some near to the 147. So we will check next number also, 44, right, and it becomes 176, which is greater than 147. So we will take this digit 3. So I will write 3 here, 3 here and 3 down. Okay, 43 get multiplied by 3 and product is 129. I will write the product here and perform the subtraction. 17 8 and my answer is 18, right, and it becomes 18, and here I will add 3 to the 43 and number becomes 46. Okay students, now I will bring this 56 down. Okay, now 1856 is the last number. There is no other period after 56. So here we have to check which number square ends in 6, because 6 is the unit digit. So that number are 4 and 6. Okay, 4 4s are 16 and 6 6 are 36. We will check these two digits one by one. My partial number is 46. When I put 4, so this number become 464, and when I multiply it by 4, the numbers come is 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24 and 1 25, 5 4 4s are 16 and 18. I got exactly the same number by taking digit 4 here. So I will write 4 here also, and here 1856 comes, and when subtracting it will come 0. So my answer be 234. Okay, for number I have to find out the square root of 18265. Okay students, so same, first I will do the pairing from right side. 65 82 and 1, 3 pairs are there. Now I have to find the number which is less than 1. So which number is less than 0? तो 0 तो नहीं लेंगे, we will start with 1. 1 1s are 1. ओके, तो 1 ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा और ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, 1 ही यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाएगा, राइट. व्हेन 1 minus 1 it becomes 0. नेक्स्ट मैं क्या करूँगी, यहाँ पर 2 आ जाएगा और नेक्स्ट पेयर को नीचे ले आऊँगी, दैट इज़ 82. नाउ अब मुझे यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट करनी है ऐसे डिजिट कि ये नंबर को मैं इस डिजिट से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ और वो नंबर इसके इक्वल या इससे कम हो जाए. तो आई विल चेक. 21 ones are 21, 22 twos are 44, still 2 smaller than 82, 23 threes are, it becomes 69, 24 fours are 4, 16 and 96. Here 24 4s are 96 become greater than 82, so we will go with 3 digit 3. I will write 3 here and 3 here. 23 3s are 69 and the product be here and get subtracted from here, and the digit 3 will get added to 23. So what comes here? Here 13 will come and 23 plus 3 26. Okay, now bring the other pair down 65. Okay, now number is 1365. Again we have to find the unit digit to make this new number, and this number will get multiplied by same digit. And here 5 is the last pair, so we will look for the number whose square end in 5, and the only number is 5. ठीक है, तो 5 का पेयर जो 5 का जो स्क्वायर होता है दैट एंड्स इन 5 ओनली, सो वी विल गो फॉर 5. पहले चेक कर लेते हैं. 265 5 कितना आता है हमारे पास, चेक करते हैं. 5 5 25, 5 आ गया, 2 30 एंड 2 10 एंड 13 13 25 विल कम. तो विल गो फॉर 5. 5 यहाँ आ गया, 5 यहाँ आ गया. अब यहाँ पर क्या आ गया, 25. सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो इट इज़ 40. हमारी डिवीज़न तब ख़त्म होती है जब हमारे पास रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो आता है. बट इस नंबर के केस में मेरी पेयर ख़त्म हो गए हैं लेकिन मेरा रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो नहीं आया है. पता चलता है, इससे ये क्लियर होता है कि दिस नंबर इज़ नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. इट नंबर, if I want to make it perfect square, what I will do, this 40 is extra in this number now, so I will subtract 40 from this number. I will subtract 40 from this number to make it perfect square. 18225. Okay, this be my new number and it is the perfect square. Okay students, that's all for today. Now you people need to practice a lot. Tomorrow we will learn how to find out the square root of decimal numbers, and PDF related to today's work has been uploaded. Try to solve that.